Hi, it's Robert Weinberg, your mortgage advisor and financial coach. Over the last few weeks, I've been contacted by dozens of would-be home buyers asking about the most popular programs available for first-time buyers right now and the different down payment and credit requirements of each. So let's talk about that. First and foremost is going to be the FHA loan. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration, and this is a government-backed loan that for decades has been the choice of first-time home buyers for good reason. It only requires 3.5% down and has very, very flexible credit guidelines. So typically you can get an FHA loan approved with most lenders down to a minimum of a 580 credit score or higher. So if you're someone who's just building or rebuilding your credit score looking to buy a home, this might be a great program option for you. Next up is going to be conventional 3% down options. These typically are going to require a 640 to 660 or higher credit score, and it would include both the Fannie Mae Home Ready program as well as the Freddie Mac Home Possible program. Both of these only require a 3% down payment. They have very, very good interest rates and a low mortgage insurance requirement. The next loan program I want to discuss is going to be the VA Zero Down Loan. VA stands for Veterans Administration, and as you probably guessed, this loan is only available to eligible veterans and their spouses. It's a true zero down loan, and it has a very low credit score requirement. Most lenders will approve this loan down to as little as a 580 credit score. The other great thing about the VA program is that it has no monthly mortgage insurance requirement, so even though you're putting no money down as far as a down payment is concerned, your mortgage payment is actually very affordable because there's no monthly mortgage insurance required with that type of loan. The next loan program we can discuss here is going to be a specific, unique program here at Benchmark Mortgage called the Springboard. Now, the Springboard Loan program combines a 97% first mortgage with a 4% second mortgage, which gives you that extra 1% towards closing costs. So if you're a first-time buyer that's really tight on money for closing, this may be a great option for you. And the Springboard program requires at least a 660 minimum FICO score. Next up is going to be the USDA Zero Down program. USDA stands for U.S. Department of Agriculture, and this is a unique loan program that's available for specific properties in specific locations and for people buying those properties that are below the median income. So if you're wondering if the property you're interested in and your income may qualify, you can search online for the USDA Income and Property Eligibility Tool. Fill in your information there in your area, and it'll let you know the requirement, whether the property you're interested in and your income may be eligible for this loan. It is, again, a true zero money down loan. You just have to come up with money for closing costs. And last but not least is going to be the non-QM program. Non-QM stands for non-qualified mortgage. And what this is going to be for is self-employed individuals or those that are 1099 or have difficult to document income requirement. So with the non-QM loan, you're going to only have to show bank statements or alternative documentation. They typically won't require tax returns and other more extensive documentation that's required with the other loan programs we discussed above. In exchange for that more limited income documentation requirements, you're going to have to put a little bit higher down payment. So the non-QM loans are going to require anywhere from a 5 to 10% down, and you're typically going to want to have at least a 640 credit score or higher to be eligible for these type of loans. So I hope as you're out there looking at being a first-time buyer, seeing all the different loan programs that are popular right now and available to you gives you some confidence to move forward on your process. As I always tell my clients, you really want to get with a mortgage advisor as early as possible in the process to figure out which one of these loan programs is going to be good for you and exactly what you're going to get pre-approved for. So if I can help you with a consultation, you can either reach out to me via social media or you can call or text my office directly. The number is 860-413-3938. Hope this has been of value to you, and we'll talk to you soon.